What I was looking for is a nice spectrum of patients, versatility of pathologies which I can see. On top of it, the volume of patients was very important to me as well. The volume of patients, if it's too less, you're too uncomfortable when you graduate doing these procedures. If your volume of patients is too much, then it affects your personal life. So it has to be an adequate balance.
We have a basic research lab. We've got advanced clinical research, which has been going. We have been involved with the nationally funded studies. We've been pharmaceutically funded studies. We got the basic research. We got the animal lab. We had people coming from all over the US to talk about their research here. We have participated extensively in the national ACC meetings, presented enough posters, the studies to them. And also, if you want to subspecialize into further interventional cardiology or electrophysiology, you can't find any better place than to be here.